Hello everyone. So welcome to the another video. Today we'll be discussing the hands-on on the Express.js and Node.js file. So firstly, in index.js file, we will call the Express framework by using the require function. It takes Express as framework and loads. So now in the app, we will call the Express creates an express application function is a top level function exported by so this will call the express framework. So in as this variable contains the express, so in the express application we'll get we'll use the get and the listen function is used to check either when we will run this module, then we can see the log like everything working and hello node.js. And if we are firstly we'll send only this text only. So let's run. As we have explained that this is the route of the page, and here this is the function which has the request and the response. And in a request object there is a request string query string parameters, http headers and other things, while in the response there are many responses like records, a string number, anything it can be. So now we'll run this. So now we can see the hello node.js text is there in the localhost, and 3000 is uh, the port number. See, we are listening this app from the 3000, and the function will run this, and we can see the console here, that in the console log we got the text like everything working. So in response object we send this string. We can also send the file here, like I have written the HTML page here, and we are invoking here like in this route. And now we will call this file here using the send file. This will send the file with the directory name and the index.html. Now we'll again run this. See, now we will refresh the page. We get the hi. For now, we are using simply this. Okay, that's all for today. Good luck.